Bonsoir tout le monde. Hello everybody. Welcome back to Anything Real Estate with Monette. Today I want to take a moment to say let's stay healthy out there, that we all being affected by this coronavirus, COVID-19, and we all know that how it can impact us in everything in our lives, economically, physically, and with social distancing, it's affecting us all. So I want to take a moment to say that we are all in this together and we will get out of it together. So please respect the, social distancing, all the information out there that tells us how to behave. Let's do that so that we can get out of it as soon as we can. Usually I have a topic that's concerned real estate in terms of down deposits, credit score, mortgage. Today I'm going to talk about something that is a little bit broader. I'm going to talk about discipline. What do I mean by that? I have a bunch of people calling me and asking me, what do you think is going to happen to the market? Should I get in today? Should I wait until everything passed to get in the market? What I usually tell people is, where are you today? So every decision you're going to make going to depend on where you are today. Are you economically sound today? Yes, you can buy. But if you were not prepared yesterday, you cannot buy today. If you're not being prepared today, you will not be able to buy tomorrow. What do I mean by that? We need to take initiative to be better. This situation should teach us something. If there's something it will teach us that if we were better with our saving, sometimes some of us will not go hungry after a week of being laid off. Unfortunately, some of us cannot afford to not have a paycheck. And why? Sometimes it's because of how much we make, but a lot of the times it's because of how much we're spending. And let's take this situation and see the opportunities of it. See it in a different perspective to be better spiritually, financially, with our family, with our friends. Let's be better. And especially in real estate, if you want to buy or anything you want to do in terms of buying or selling your house, comes down to how economically sound you are and how you do financially. If you are not taking care of your credit and you're buying left and right without thinking about what you do, you're going to suffer. We all suffering, but you are going to suffer tremendously in this situation. So what I want to advise you is to be a better citizen, be a better person with your family, with your financial situation. And instead of taking a Macy's card and max it out, today you cannot go to Macy's and buy something in Macy's. If you're hungry, maybe your other credit cards can help you out here. And after that, after the coronavirus, it's going to be another story. But again, your Macy's card won't be able to bail you out here because you can't even go to Macy's and buy it. And even if you could have gone to Macy's or Target, but not Target, or Gap, for example, you won't be able to go there. Right now, you need more than ever, you need food in your house. And so what I'm trying to say here is not about, is it time to buy or is it time to wait? It's always a good time to either buy or sell. It all depends on what you've been doing. Have you been saving? Do you have the amount of saving you need to have in order to buy a house? Do you have the discipline of putting aside some money aside in case the house needs some fixing? Or if you lose your job, do you have enough cash saved to, you might not have, you don't have control of the whole situation here. But if you had a little bit of discipline, things would have been different. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So if you weren't better in terms of saving your money and be better financially in saving your money and be wise about how you spend your money, how you use your credit cards, or maybe not use them if you cannot handle them. So today is the good time. This virus is giving us an opportunity to not waste it, to think about how we are as a person. So hope that teach you something and that you get yourself ready to purchase again, because if you're going to survive this, life gonna continue, and you're gonna need to have what you need to have in order to buy. Whether it's a good time or a bad time. So if it's a good time tomorrow, if you don't have anything saved, you still cannot buy. So let's be better with our saving, without our money, and how we handle everything, our lives in general. Bonsoir tout le monde, c'est ton plaisir pour m'avoir là encore. Dans Anything Real Estate with Monette, jodi on a parlé d'un bagay qui différent de ça nous qu'on parler, me dit m'a parlé de discipline. Ça me dit par là. Bah là pour me dire comment pour mener la vous, même me dire me un pile question qui dit est-ce que jodi a ces journées pour m'acheter, est-ce que me dois acheter ou pas. Pas un jour pour acheter ou pas, c'est une question de opportunité vini, ils sont bonnes opportunités et ou gen moyen pour prendre opportunité ça. Si ou pas de jambe t'es préparé pour acheter demain, ou pas préparer aujourd'hui pour acheter demain, ou pas capable. Kit market la table vend à $50, bagay qui vend $50,000, sous pas de serré pour te gagner $50 pas acheter. Si que ou pas de discipline, leur te boit 4 crédit 4 ça, c'est 4 crédit 4 messes ou tap marché max out, ou encore tap max out gap, ou tap max out, whatever the names are out there. So, c'est crédit 4 ou tap max out, jodi alors capable boire, qui ça, qui est fait, genre de comportement ça ou fait dans la vie. Parce que, monsieur que, en pile dans nous, a perdu job, en pile dans nous, même là nous pas perdu job, là, il y a moins l'heure de travail, il y a nous, il y a plus l'heure de travail. Mais encore, est-ce que 4 messes ça, on est capable d'utiliser? Même la messes c'est ouvert, je dis à la messes pas important pour aller acheter rad. Ça veut dire, max li a ou pas nécessaire. Parce que, ou ka vivre sans lui. Je dis à la plus que jamais, c'est famille, c'est manger, c'est bagay qui plus important dans la vie. Je souhaite que coronavirus, li apprend nous bagay si, gon bagay qui apprend nous, l'apprend nous pour vivre mieux. Non seulement financièrement, avec famille ou, avec amis ou, quelle que soit condition, on fait une rétrospection pour nous comment on va vivre mieux demain. Si nous avons été vivant après coronavirus, on apprend tête nous pour nous save more. C'est pour une question de aujourd'hui, est-ce que je vais acheter ou acheter n'importe quoi. Depuis que nous avons vivre, vendre kaya prêté, acheter kaya prêté, depuis que nous avons sous terre, nous avons continué à vivre. Depuis là. So, pour nous continuer à vivre, nous avons besoin de discipline, nous avons besoin de moyens pour nous vivre. Si qu'on pas serré, non, moi, que t'es passé avant Corona, je dis à la situation un peu difficile pour vous. Si que c'était paycheck to paycheck pour ta vivre, et que c'était fort pour ta vivre paycheck to paycheck, gon l'autre façon qu'à vivre. Ou pas obligé gon série de bagages qui pas nécessaire dans la vie. Hein. So, si jodi là, plus que jamais réaliser que gen bagages qui pas nécessaire côté gen la caillou. So, jodi plus que jamais là pas prendre nous pour apprendre contre ça qui est prioritaire, pour save, pour capable préparer ou pour le acheter arriver pour capable faire. Yes, anytime is a good time to buy or sell. It's up to you. N'importe le, c'est un bon temps pour acheter ou bien vendre. Kounya dépend de où, de qui juste état financier ou t'ayé, et lui-même qui va le déterminer qui sont fait, sont pas qu'à faire. Après saison ça là, l'elle fini, même l'on ka étape vendre pour PI, ou gen doit pas acheter parce qu'on pas gen moyen pour faire, ou pas préparer pour faire. Qui ça qui, m'ta dit qui, non, ça me veut dire, hein, c'est ou même qui besoin. Yon l'autre monde d'abord, pour que mettons l'autre discipline dans la vie, pour préparer, pour les opportunités venir, pour pas perdre. What is the main reason of my video today? It's not about, is it a good time or a bad time? It's about you being prepared for when the opportunity knocks on your door, you are prepared to open the door and take advantage of it. So, again, thank you for being with us. And Anything Real Estate with Monette. See you next time. And I hope that you stay with the Prince of Peace. Stay with him.